Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how to merge two or more video clips in the CapCut video editor. It is super simple guys, and you absolutely don't need to be an expert in video editing whatsoever. So start by launching a CapCut application on your computer, by starting a new video project, and by importing two or more video clips you would like to combine. I will go with these two video clips here, one with a sleeping cat and one showing a playing kitten. And what I'm going to do guys is to merge these two so that they are displayed together side by side. And you can do that by placing the first video clip on your video track here on your timeline below by drag and dropping it here. And next, select your second video clip and place it on your timeline as well, but this time on the upper video track here, just like that. Also guys, let me trim that longer video clip here so that they have the same duration, just like that. And after that, simply adjust the size and the position of your first video clip here on your display, on your preview display, so that the first video clip covers the lower part of your display, just like that. Depending on your video clip's aspect ratio, of course, if your video had an aspect ratio of 9:16, for instance, I would place these video clips left and right, but in this case here with an aspect ratio of 16:9, I would place one video clip in the upper half of the display and the second one on the lower half, just like that. You can adjust the position and the size of each video clip by simply clicking on and dragging the corners or edges of each video clip, just like that. And that's basically it. Watch your video clip in the preview mode. There you go. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.